What's up, everyone? Sorry. So today I'm gonna be swapping out the door hinges on my 32 because my door actually sags, and then so it kind of like messes with the door with closing, as you can see, like. And then if I lift it up here, you can see how like it sags. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So actually, let me go ahead and fully close it now. Oh. Yeah, that kind of hurts me. But yeah, I went ahead and took out my front fender, and I got these from Nissan in Tacoma or something like that, somewhere in Florida. Shout out to them though. But yeah, I got new door hinges, and looks like they're aluminum. I'm actually gonna go ahead and paint these just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out. I went ahead and checked, and it's just 2 bolts right here, if I'm correct, and then same thing for the lower one. They're 12 millimeters actually. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, test fit it, see how it works. I'm gonna do one side at a time, so I'm gonna do the top one first, and then I'll do the bottom. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so here's the upper one. The part number for that was H0400-01. As you can see, this is the upper one. The bottom one will be 401 actually. But yeah, let's go ahead and spray these on real quick. So I went ahead and painted it yellow because that's what I had laying around, and it doesn't look that bad, to be honest. But yeah, I went ahead and took off the first one. It's all crusty. Gonna sand it a little and slap the new one in. But yeah, here's the old one. It came out pretty easy. It's the 2 bolts there and 2 bolts there, and it just popped right out. So yeah, it's really simple. Alright, and now I got both of them on and nice and secure. So let's go see how the door feels. I don't feel any more sagging, so that's good. Didn't close fully, but let me check this real quick. No more sagging, that's for sure. So I think what's not closing right now is either gonna be this or this piece. I forgot exactly what it is, but I know that's a common thing for the 240s as well. There we go. But yeah, I mean, now that it doesn't sag, I feel a lot more comfortable putting on side skirts, so that way I don't scrape them or anything. But yeah, cool. So yeah, that's how easy it is to replace door hinges.